starting off, this paints the picture. In all the environments, all the customers I work with, their data is still growing. The amount of storage they have on site in their data center. I've got a lot of customers with very significant cloud adoption strategies, a lot of applications moving to the cloud. Even in those cases, their on-site storage is still going up. When we look at what they have for a SAN today and what we would look at replacing it with when it ages out in its life cycle, we're still looking at something bigger. Also, and over here on the right, complexity in the environment is still taking off. I ask you, anybody on the call have a new application that they've had to bring up in their environment in the last 3 years? Hands always go up. There's always something new, some new application, and we're always adding. It's never replacing or taking a new one and turning something old off. It seems we're always adding, and part back to this data growth, a lot of the growth there is old things that we need to archive. In fact, people are telling us we need to keep things longer. At the same time, kind of in the middle here, you may not have the staff and budget going down, but in most environments, I'd say it's flatlined. Right? It's about the same staff, about the same budget year after year, and yet we need to have more data, and we're dealing with more complexity. So the math guy in me says, how do we make this equation balance out? How do we balance out rising with the same staff and the same budget? And the answer is things like Hyper-Converged that allows us to take the things we're already doing and do them easier, quicker, with less maintenance. Right? Integrate that together, lower the total cost of ownership to that virtual server environment, compute, storage, virtual machines, backup, replication, etc. Easier, quicker, less time, so we can focus on the new activities, the new applications coming into our environment. So that's our story for today.